Hey everyone, this is a jackstone. I don't know if you played this one before when you were a kid. Let's open what's inside. It says, thank you so much. It's a two sets. This one. So let's open. They said in the description that it's made of metal, so yeah, it's heavy. Do you still remember how to play this? How many? So this one's got I think we call it Ekes. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 silver and 5 gold color. Do you remember how to play it? So put everything in your hand. Okay, I will try to play this. Okay, let's play jackstone. I can't sit on this position, but I will just try for the sake of this video. So you put all this Ekes in your hand and you throw it. Yay. Then you have to pick up each of it without touching. So first you start by one first. So you go like this, get it like this. You have to be good in catching the ball. And make sure if they're like stick together, the other one won't move. Once it moved, then you failed. So the next player will have its turn. Yay! That's it. Next one, 2. Don't throw it so like fast or strong. I don't know. Just throw it like slowly on the floor closest to you, so you don't need to like this when you are picking up this Ekes. So number 2. That's too far. It's probably because it's made of metal. So 2 ways that you can do this. Because it's too far, you can get it like this, or you can just pick it up at the same time and then pick up the ball. So like this. Whoops! Wow, that's failed. I didn't repeat it again. I don't know. It's like it's spread too far. I can't even reach it. Really far. It's too far. It's too far. Should be like only close to me. Anyway, let me throw it like this. That's it. Good job. But the problem is, sorry, pick it up. So this one is good because it's too close. If you can see, this is how I throw it. So this time the turn is to pick up 2 Ekes, 2 at a time. Alright, we're playing like a 2. So the first rule, like if I remember right, was like the first way to pick up this Ekes is you throw it. You start by 1 and the motion is like this. And once you finish all the Ekes, the next one is like you pick it like this. You throw the ball and put it like this. Do you remember that? And once you finish all of it, you pick up like the next one is 2. Oops, that's wrong, but it's like just 1 bounce. And when you finish all of it, the thing in the first part, when you finish it, you put everything in, then you pick it. Oh no, that's actually you pick it and then you catch it like that. And the second exhibition, once you finish all the Ekes, is put it all on the floor. And you pick it and then put it in your hands. And then you put it back on the floor and pick it up again. I think I missed one. You should pick all of it. So if you miss picking all of it, then it's failed. Try it again. Then the other player turn. You can also do some exhibition with this X. I don't know if you remember. I think from memory, kids time, you know, when we were kids, love this jackstone. So how to play it? So you can do the round way. Do you remember that? So you pick up the X and then you do it like that. You can do one turn or you can do the other turn. The other way is pick up the X, pick up this one, and you make like a basketball, but your hand should be in one position or it's not moving, not following. So you go like this. So you shoot it like that. I haven't played it. Maybe I'll be better when I start playing this one. But that's how it works. That's how you play it. I don't know if your kids know how to play this, but it's a good, you know, time. It's good to have like a time with this with your kid, teach them how to play it. It's an old-fashioned way of playing. Instead of just playing the iPad, just playing with their X-Pac, with their, you know, all the techies. It's also good for hand and eye coordination. Yeah, hand movement as well. Add good exercise for the mind, for the thoughts. Yeah, that's all. So we call it game Jackstone. Comment down below if you still remember this, and any suggestion, please let me know. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Happy playing. Jackstone.